Rust stains on deck boards from metal furniture legs can totally ruin your outdoor vibe, but you can stop that from happening with some simple moves. So, first off, always slap on protective pads or rubber caps under your metal furniture legs. Those little guys act like a barrier, keeping metal from touching the wood and causing rust stains. If you already spot rust stains, try scrubbing them gently with a mix of baking soda and water. It's like a natural cleaner that won't mess up your deck. Another cool trick is to seal your deck boards with a good waterproof sealant before setting up furniture. This adds an extra layer of protection against moisture and rust. Try to keep furniture dry by moving it around or covering it when it rains to avoid sitting water that causes rust. If you notice any chipped paint or exposed metal on your furniture legs, sand them down and repaint with rust-proof paint to stop rust from spreading. Regularly check under your furniture for early signs of rust or stains so you can act fast. Finally, avoid leaving metal furniture in one spot too long. Giving those boards a break helps keep stains at bay. One of the biggest mistakes people make with rust stains on deck boards is ignoring the problem until it gets bad. Letting rust sit means it can eat deeper into the wood, making cleanup way harder. The fix is to catch rust stains early and treat them with gentle scrubbing and natural cleaners. Another common issue is not using protective pads under metal furniture legs, which leads straight to rust marks. Just adding those pads solves a ton of headaches. A third problem is forgetting to reseal the deck regularly. Weather wears down sealants, leaving wood vulnerable to moisture and rust stains. Keeping up with resealing every year or two keeps your deck looking fresh and stain-free. BigHomeProjects.com is super helpful for homeowners trying to find trusted local contractors who know their stuff about decks and outdoor projects. It's also a great spot for contractors looking to get connected with people needing their skills on big home jobs.